Bow windows are a timeless architectural feature that can enhance the beauty and functionality of nearly any home. In a city like Washington, where historic charm meets modern design, bow windows offer a unique way to bridge both styles. Whether you own a classic property or a contemporary home, bow windows provide a versatile upgrade that adds elegance, space, and lasting value. One of the most appealing aspects of bow windows is their ability to complement historic homes. Washington is known for its rich architectural heritage, with many homes featuring traditional details and classic designs. Bow windows fit naturally into these settings because of their graceful, curved appearance. Their multi-panel structure adds depth and dimension to a home's exterior while maintaining the character and authenticity that homeowners want to preserve. When designed thoughtfully, bow windows can blend seamlessly with original architectural elements, enhancing the home without overpowering its historic charm. At the same time, bow windows are equally well suited for modern homes. Their sleek lines and expansive glass panels align perfectly with contemporary design trends that emphasize natural light and open spaces. In modern properties, bow windows create a striking visual feature that adds both style and functionality. They can serve as a focal point in living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms, bringing in light and creating a sense of openness that complements today's design preferences. One of the key ways bow windows enhance both historic and modern homes is by increasing natural light. Their curved design allows sunlight to enter from multiple angles, brightening interior spaces throughout the day. In Washington homes, whether older or newly built, this added light can transform a room, making it feel larger, more inviting, and more comfortable. Natural light not only improves the look of your home but also contributes to a more enjoyable living environment. Bow windows also create additional interior space, which is valuable in any type of home. By extending outward from the wall, they add a small but functional area that can be used in a variety of ways. In historic homes, this space can become a cozy reading nook or a place to highlight decorative elements. In modern homes, it can be used as a seating area, a workspace, or a design feature that enhances the overall layout. This flexibility makes bow windows a practical upgrade for homeowners looking to maximize their space. Another advantage is the way bow windows improve views. Their wide, curved design provides a broader perspective of the outdoors compared to traditional flat windows. In a city like Washington, where surroundings can include tree-lined streets, historic landmarks, or urban scenery, this expanded view adds to the overall appeal of your home. It creates a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, making your home feel more open and connected. Energy efficiency is another important factor to consider. Modern bow windows are designed with advanced materials such as insulated glass and durable frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home comfortable throughout the year. Whether you're dealing with summer heat or cooler seasons, energy-efficient bow windows help reduce heat transfer and improve overall performance. This is beneficial for both older homes that may need upgrades and newer homes aiming for long-term efficiency. Durability and customization also make bow windows a strong choice. Homeowners can select from a variety of materials, finishes, and configurations to match their specific style. This means you can design bow windows that align perfectly with your home's architecture, whether that's preserving historic details or enhancing a modern aesthetic. High-quality construction ensures that your windows will stand up to daily use and changing weather conditions. In addition to their functional benefits, bow windows add significant curb appeal. Their distinctive shape and elegant design make any home stand out, increasing its visual appeal and potential value. For homeowners in Washington, this combination of beauty and practicality makes bow windows a worthwhile investment. In the end, bow windows offer a perfect balance of tradition and innovation. Their ability to complement both historic and modern homes makes them a versatile and valuable upgrade. By adding light, space, and elegance, bow windows enhance not only the look of your home but also the way you experience it every day.